Hey dessert lovers, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic French treat, Gâteau Nantais, also known as almond rum cake. This cake is moist, flavorful, and simply irresistible. Let's dive right into the recipe. First up, the ingredients. For the cake, you'll need 3/4 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 2 cups of superfine blanched almond flour, 4 large room temperature eggs, 1/4 cup of dark rum, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Grease an 8-inch round cake pan with butter and line the bottom with parchment paper. Butter that parchment too. In a large bowl, beat the butter, light brown sugar, white sugar, salt, and nutmeg together with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy. This should take about 3 minutes. Add in the almond flour and beat for another minute. Next, add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Once all the eggs are in, turn the mixer to medium-high and beat the batter for 3 minutes. Now, add in your 1/4 cup of dark rum, lemon zest, vanilla, and almond extracts. Mix until combined. Reduce the mixer speed to low, add in the all-purpose flour and baking powder, and mix until just incorporated. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and smooth out the top. Bake it in the preheated oven for 45 to 50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool the cake in the pan for 10 minutes. While the cake cools, let's make the syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 3 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of white sugar over medium-low heat. Stir occasionally until the sugar dissolves and the mixture simmers, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove from heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of rum. Put it back over medium-low heat for another 2 minutes, then remove from heat. Invert the cake onto a wire rack and peel off the parchment paper. Brush the warm syrup over the warm cake until it's all absorbed. Let the cake cool completely, about 30 minutes. Now, for the icing. Whisk together 1½ tablespoons of lemon juice, 1½ cups of confectioner's sugar, a pinch of salt, and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream until smooth. Adjust with more lemon juice or cream if needed to get a pourable consistency. Place the cooled cake on a serving platter and pour the icing evenly over the top. Smooth it out if needed and sprinkle with toasted sliced almonds. Let the icing set for a few minutes before you slice and serve, and there you have it. A delicious French almond rum cake, the Gâteau Nantais. If you love this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This cake truly gets better with time, so make it a day in advance if you can. Enjoy! Catch you next time, dessert lovers.